Okay, so left out is actually what I'm representing is actually generally I will say the number system as, for example, real number, floating point number 126.25 I taught you. So 126.25 I will represent, point is the decimal point, 10 power 0 for it, 10 power 1 to keep on 10 powers adding. Here keep on 10 powers decrementing. Understood or not? Okay. So generally I will represent, this is the decimal point, d into 10 power 0, 10 c into 10 power 1, 10 power 2, 10 power 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So the binary number system has got four digits, or the nipple is there. This is called MSB, most significant bit, highest value, and this is the LSP, least significant digit. Understood? Okay. So now you know 126.25 is God actually. So in that generally I'll say ABCD.DF, and this is that's enough. Left hand side, if you keep on incrementing, power will be increased. Right hand side, if you keep on incrementing, the power will be decreased. It will be negative form also. Here positive form. So now MSB stands for most significant bit, LSB stands for least significant bit. So I think now we can answer a little bit about it. Okay, we'll go for conversion mechanism. What is the software trick got for this, using this conversion mechanism? What software trick can do it? That we are going to cover today actually. Okay, example conversion. I got a number 1110. Find this is a binary number. Everybody knows because it is in 1 and 0 form. I want in decimal form. How to convert this? Our question is that. Okay, so how to convert this? So I will write 111 plus 0 point, no problem. So this is 0 into 2 power 0 because conversion is binary. So 2 power 0. This is 1 2 power 1. This is 2 power 2. This is 2 power 3. So 0 into 2 power 0, 1 into 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. This is 8, 4, 4. This is 8, 4, 2. 8 plus 4, 2, 12, 12 plus 2, 14. 14 is the answer. Understood or not? Again, I will teach you. When you got a number 1110, this is 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. So 0 into 2 power 0, similarly. Okay, understood or not? So I got number 14. Sir, decimal number, how you convert it? This is ordinary integer number you taught. Okay. What about the decimal number you will convert? That's the question. Okay. So first you convert the integer value 111. So I will compute that as a 111. So how to convert the binary number to decimal number? Quite complicated. I will teach you. So I got ordinary binary number converted into this what form? Decimal form. A binary number converted to decimal form. This is a real number converted into decimal form. Real number means point should be coming. So 1 into 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power minus 1, 2 power minus 2. So this is 4, 2, 1. Understood or not? 4, 2, 1. And 0 plus 1 by 4 is 0.25. 0.02. 1 by 4 is 0.25, not 0.25, 0.25. So understood or not? So 4 plus 2 is 6. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 7. 0.25. I write 7.25. Because 0 into 2 power minus 1, this is 0. This is 1 into 2 power minus 2, that is 1 by 4 is 0.25. So 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 7. 7.25. Understood or not? Okay. Next. So I will tell you one thing. Example conversion. This is the binary number. How to convert to decimal number? So 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. So if it is a real number, decimal number, how to binary number, decimal, how to convert it into binary and decimal form? Binary and decimal form. Binary 111 convert. This is 0 into 2 power minus 1, 1 into 2 power minus 2. Calculate. Next comes octal number system. 0 to 7, 8 digits. Okay. Conversion of decimal to binary. Till now what you have studied is binary to decimal. Here conversion decimal to binary. How to convert? You got a number 12 is the decimal number. How to convert it to binary? First divide by 2. So 6 means 0 will come. 6 2s are 12, remainder is 0. This is remainder. Again you divide 3, again 0 will come. Again you divide, 1 is the remainder and 1 is the quotient. So what is happening? You write the number 1, 1, 0, 0. This is the binary number for you. 12 is the number. How to convert into binary means 12 divided by 2 is 0 is the remainder. 63 is 0 is the remainder. 1 into 1. Don't take from right to left, top to bottom. Bottom to top you take. That is called conversion of decimal to binary. So 1, 1, 0, 0. So if you got any doubt 1, 1, 0, 0, if you, how to convert 1, 1, 0, 0 means I will write 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. 8 plus 4, 12. The 12 has come. Okay. So now 12.25 means how you will convert, sir. 12 you convert 1100. Okay. 0.25 how to convert. It's very complicated, but I will teach you. Okay. 0.25 into 2 is what? 0.5. Do you have any carry? No. So put 0. 0.5 into 2, what is the value? 1. So you have any carry? Yes, 1 is the carry. 1. That's all. So I will write, here I took bottom to top. Here I will take top to bottom, 0, 1. So I will say, oh, this binary number for 12 is 1100. For fraction 0.25 is nothing but 0.001. Understood or not? So 12.25 is that. 12 is 1100. 0.25 means you multiply by 2, carry comes, so till 0 comes, it keep on, carry comes 1. So 0, 1, so 0, 1. So I think a little bit you studied about it, okay or not? Okay. So now we are migrating towards still more the concept. So very fascinating, but better to listen about the class, okay? So I'll teach you that. Sir, 12.12, what you about it? So 12 means 1100, everybody knows. So 0.125, how you will convert? 0.125 into 2, 0.25. Any carry has come, overflow has come? No. So no carry, 0. 0.25 into 2, 0.5. Overflow has come? No, 0. 0.5 into 2, what is the value? Overflow has come? 1. So 0, 0, 1. So I will write 1100, 12 and 0.125, 0.001. Next comes octal. Octal means what? It is a number between 0 to 7, totally 8 numbers. So first binary to decimal I converted. Similarly, octal to decimal. 546 of 8. How to convert? This 546 will be there. 6 into 8 power 0, 4 into 8 power 1, 5 into 8 power 2. So what is the answer? 358. So octal number 546 is, decimal value is 358. Easy, no? Okay. Octal to decimal conversion. So you told 546 is converted. 546.25 means how to convert. Try in the homework. Understood? So now, similarly, decimal to octal conversion. So decimal number 522 is there. How to convert into octal? That is 522. Binary number we divide by 2. Here octal, no? So divide by 8. 520, decimal number 522 divided by 8. I got remainder 2. 65. I got remainder 1. The value can be, remainder can be from 0 to 7. 8, 1, 1, 0. So 1, 0, 1, 2, 8 for cross check. So I can write 522. So any doubt here? So I got a number 522. To convert into octal means 522, 8 will divide. So 2, 1, 1, 0. How it is? Because, sir, why you are putting 2, we can, maximum division is 65 will be the value. Remainder is 2. Write 2, don't write any problem. 1 or 0, something like that, okay? So again you are dividing, 1 has come. So 1, 0 is 0. So 1, 0, 1, 2. Like this you can access. Understood or not? This is called octal number system. Still more we will see. That comes under hexadecimal number. Hexadecimal means what? Base value is 16. Anybody can say. What is the value? 0 to 9. 10 is A. 11 is B. 12 is C. 13 is D. 14 is E. 15 is F. So I got a number, hexadecimal number. How to convert into decimal number? 5 into 10, 16 power 0. There is radix is 2 or 8 were there. Here hexadecimal is 16. 16 power 1. Easily I can do it. So for a digital number, okay. So I can say 37, I'll convert into decimal number is this one. 37. Understood or not? So 1010 is there. What is the decimal value of 1010? 10. How, sir? This is, I told you, binary number 2. Here radix is 10. Radix is 16. Don't confuse anything. Just this is the problems. Till now what you come with hexadecimal. Again I'll teach you. Hexadecimal means 0 to 9 A, B, C, D, E, F. So 25 is there. In your dividing 16 I'll get 2 and 5. So 25. So if you represent in decimal form 5 into 16 power 0, 16 power 1. So totally that's enough. Now the problems you have to work out. Now problem number 1. Convert a binary number to decimal form 1010. That is, this is 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. These two are just skip it, 1. So 2, 8, 2 plus 8, 10. Sir, 989 to the base of radix 16. What is the decimal number? So I have to write 9 into 16 power 0, 8 into 16 power 1, 9 into 16 power 2. That's all. 750 octal number. What is the value for decimal number? The octal number is 0 into 8 power 0, 5 into 8 power 1, 7 into 8. This is the radix. I think now you have understood a little bit more about it. Okay. Okay. 926. Okay. Actually, 786 is not an octal number. Is it octal or 786 is octal number? No, because octal number is between 0 to 7. 8 won't come. Radix is 8, but the number 8 won't come. Next, octal number radix is 8. This is the answer. Okay. 65 is, okay. What is the binary number of 65? Divide by 2. 32, remainder is 1. Again divide. 16, remainder is 0. Again divide 8, remainder is 0. Then 4, remainder is 0. Then 2, remainder is 0. 1, remainder is 0. Now you put the value. This is called binary number. Understood or not? I think now you know binary number very well about. Okay. So now we are going towards the concept of decimal to octal. Octal means 65 is there. Divide by 8. So 8 is 64. Remainder is 1. 8 1. So 101 of 65 decimal number 65. 65 10 is the decimal number. Radix converted into 101 as the octal. Understood or not? Next, decimal to hexadecimal means divide by 16. 16 divided by 16. 115. 15 means F. So 115. So what do you want to say? So if anybody has question, convert decimal to octal, decimal to binary, decimal to octal, decimal to hexadecimal. Divide by decimal to binary means 2. Decimal to octal means by 8. Decimal to hexadecimal divide by 16. Understood or not? That's the way. That's the answer. So I think now you might have come across a little bit about, actually I can say, stage 2A of computer numeric system. So I think now you anchored the concept about it. So next class we will see still more about the number system with still more information. I think now you can understand the problems. You can solve the problem which you have in the books and things. You try for it. Okay. So again, I requesting you, please subscribe this channel and press the bell button so it will be subscribed. So then you will listen the class. Your laudable suggestion will be given to us. Okay. Pass it to us. This is Shaw signing off. Thank you.